welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you a quick video on how I use my Cricut to make this tag for a baby shower. So it says ready to pop, and my friend is going to put a sticker heart there. I did make some of them with a heart, but then she told me she bought these stickers. So this is how the ones with the heart looked. So ready to pop, and it's going to go on some popcorn. And I used my Cricut to make this this pack of cardstock paper. I think she got at Walmart. It was 50 sheets. So cardstock paper, my Cricut, and I used these markers from the Dollar Tree. So you can put a marker into here, and I saw videos, people said that these markers from the Dollar Tree work, so I tried it and it did, because the Cricut pen, I couldn't find it in black, and they are pretty expensive. So I use these Dollar Tree markers. I bought two just in case it ran out, and then the paper and my Cricut. So let me show you. So what I did was I got a design like this from a image online. I just googled some stuff and I got that design, and I just picked a font and I wrote in it, and I make sure to click. So up here it says cut, write, score, print. So you have to make sure you are on write, and then the outer part is on cut. So it's going to cut this out and write this in. So if you leave it on cut, then it will cut this out as well. But you don't want it to do that. You want it to write this in and then cut that out. So I fit 5 to a page, so I just duplicated and made it 5, so they're the exact same size. I'm clicking make it, and I'm moving this one here because the paper is a 8 by 11, so it fits. It has the grid here that shows. Continue, and then I set up my piece of paper on my mat, just like in the grid. Then you have to go to, the machine is set to custom, so go here to medium cardstock, and then I have to load the machine. I already had the pen loaded here, but you just put the pen right in here and lock it in. Load the paper in. It's gonna first write. Now the machine is going around and cutting with the cutter. So it wrote everything, and now it's going to cut the flower shape out around the blade. Can you see it there? Out. Okay, this one messed up a little. I had to put them back in because it didn't cut. I messed up something, but I just wanted to keep doing it. So this one messed up because I did it in 2 takes. But anyway, so get the gist of it. So you remove, it's hard to do with one hand, but you remove the paper. And just take these out. So these, like I said, these will probably be like a backup because they didn't come out good, but I just kept doing it. And you fold this, and it comes out a little easier. So they're stuck to here, and I keep doing that. Let me show you the correct ones. But so ready to pop, and then you just put them in. How quick and easy. I wish I had my Cricut when Phoenix was one on AVERY. I paid for so many things to be made, but this is the gist of it. And then she's going to put a sticker there instead. I thought about it after I printed a lot of them that we should have put her name on it, but she didn't ask me to. So anyways, just thought I'd show you that. I will show you a picture of the finished product once she puts them on the favors, but just thought I'd show you a quick and easy way to make a little favor tag using your Cricut and dollar store pens. I saw a lot of videos and I tried it and it actually works. So this is a very inexpensive way because you just have some paper, a bunch of markers, and you can make a bunch of things. So thank you guys so much for watching. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys next time.